to the mythical forest with Dee Dee and Boris. And today we're going to teach you how to fix a transfer chair. When the brakes stop working.
Go around the front and show the little lip.
And the brakes stop working because the wheel's worn down. Here is an easy fix. But you're going to get yourself a little bit of baking soda. Get yourself a little container like this from the dollar store. You're going to cut the piece off of this little lid to look like
the lid, yeah, like that.
And then you're going to trim it down.
And we sprinkle a little bit of baking soda.
Sprinkle some baking soda.
And we mix.
Then you're going to put some super glue. It turns into a cement. And then you apply it to the part that the brake goes on.
And you just leave it there.
And let it dry. This side is already dry. And it works great. We will show you once the other side dries how sturdy it is. Just test it out. Lock. That's the side we just did. And now let's see.
Yeah.
It locks.
It's like perfect. It's
put it down and try to push it.
Yeah.
Hey.
The things skip. Like you can tell it's not turning like how it was before.
Now push it. Oh, you got to do both of them.
Yeah. See, that works. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Fits your wheelchair with lids from Tupperware.
The Dollar Tree lids and baking soda
and crazy glue.
Crazy glue, super glue.
Thank you.
All right, y'all go subscribe and look for other things. We got all kinds of stuff on our playlist, including gardening, making fertilizer, and you name it. Go check us out, The Mythical Forest on YouTube. We have an encore. We broke this yesterday, and now we're going to see how we can do with the baking soda, super glue, onto a wood. This wood handle broke off of this bath brush. We don't use it in the bath. We just use it as a dry skin brush. And now we're going to see.
Now we got a little bit of this. And give it that extra flavor. it's and then we slide it in here nice and tight.
This is the super glue that we used.
Put some right there. Uh-oh, my fingers are stuck.
Are you kidding?
No.
They really got stuck?
Yeah, they got stuck.
That's scary. All right, let's check it out once it dries. Let's see if it works.
Yep, that works.
It works, look.
Oh.
Okay. It's good. You did a good job. Super glue and
now you gotta itch this arm.
Oh, now I gotta itch this arm. Okay.
He's
got OCD.
Thank you.